Hi guys, this is LRC32. This is our interior dashboard cleaner. It will work on all types of hard plastics in vehicles as well as dashboards. So any plastic trim that you have anywhere or vinyl surfaces, this will clean them all. It is a very deep cleaning product. It deep cleans right into the depths of the plastic, revives the color and everything, and brings out all the dirt and grime. Very simple application with this product. It is a spray-on application, but as with all of our triggers, they have a little lock on them. Some people believe they don't work, but they do. You need to remove this little tab here, open it and pull it either left or right, which will enable this to work, as you can see. If we shut it back up again, it is locked. So just bear that in mind. It does have this little safety gadget, which is just underneath the trigger here, underneath here. So what is LRC32 other than it's a dashboard cleaner? It is a fantastic product. It revives and brightens all types of plastic trim in vehicles, hard plastic. It can be used outside on like plastic roofs and things like that as well. So if you've got plastic trim outside of the vehicle, it will work to clean plastic trim on the outside as well. Application is very, very simple. It is a spray-on application. Agitate with a brush to get deep into the plastic grain, and then you can just use a bamboo towel and wipe away any dirt and grime that the LRC32 is bringing out. What you can also do with this on more delicate plastic areas is use one of our amazing bamboo applicator pads. Again, spray onto the surface or spray directly onto a pad, agitate in, and then wipe away with a bamboo fiber towel. LRC32 is an amazing product for deep cleaning all types of plastic trim inside and outside of your vehicle, as well as in and around your home. LRC32, get it from the website today, leatherrepaircompany.com.